Hello, today I will tell you about Mazda's new beauty. Mazda's new flagship arrives for 2024 in the form of the 3-row CX-90 SUV. The 2024 CX-90, which replaces the CX-9, offers the most powerful gas engine the brand has ever produced. Given that it's wider and longer than any Mazda, the 2024 CX-90 could be a better threat to popular models like the Honda Pilot and Ford Explorer. What's new? 8-speed automatic transmission. Artisan red exterior paint. New RWD biased platform with standard AWD powertrains including turbo inline 6 mild hybrid and inline 4 plug-in hybrid. Performance. Both of the 2024 CX-90's new powertrains are significantly more powerful than the 2.5-liter turbo 4 that's standard on the 2023 CX-9. An 8-speed automatic is also new on every 2024 CX-90. The CX-9 came with a 6-speed. Like its predecessor, the new 3-row CX-90 has standard AWD. The standard CX-90 engine is a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-6 with a mild hybrid engine sandwiched between the engine and transmission. It produces an impressive 340 horsepower and 369 pounds-to-foot of torque when running on high-octane premium fuel, making it the most powerful mass-produced gas engine Mazda has ever produced. That's a 90 horsepower and 49 pounds-to-foot of torque improvement over the 2023 CX-9 on premium fuel. The new eSkyActiv plug-in hybrid is pretty solid too, making 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque on premium fuel. It uses a 2.5-liter inline-4 with an electric motor and a 17.8 kWh battery, before the gas engine kicks in, with an unspecified electric range. Will it drive like a Mazda? The signs point to yes. Mazda cars are the most fun to drive, and it looks like the brand is trying to continue that trend with the 2024 CX-90. The SUV's new large vehicle platform is designed for use with longitudinally oriented engines, which is better for weight distribution. It's also equipped with a rear-biased AWD drivetrain, which will likely add to the sporty look of the 3-row. In addition, every CX-90 features Mazda's kinematic stance control. Debuting on the 2022 MX-5 Miata, the system acts as a little limited slip differential booster, tapping the brakes on the inside rear wheel in corners to tighten the turning radius and limit body roll. Mazda also claims that the Ute stiffness and suspension have been chosen for balance, control and confidence, making sure it can be as fun as others in the range. Security features. Except for the untested Miata and MX-30, every Mazda car and SUV is INF's top safety pick plus winner, and the automaker looks to continue that reputation with the 2024 CX-90. Each SUV will be equipped with standard iActiv driver assistance safety features, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control. Interior room. The CX-90 is wider and longer than the 3-row SUV it replaces and features a longer wheelbase. It'll need the space if it hopes to seat up to 8 comfortably, one of the biggest gripes we had about the CX-9. In that outgoing SUV, third-row occupants were cramped and there wasn't as much cargo space as competitors. Second-row captain's chairs are also an option, which would limit occupant capacity to 7. Technology. All exterior and interior LED lighting, a power driver's seat, push-button start, and keyless entry should be standard on the 2024 CX-90. Technology upgrades include a 12.3-inch center display, which is 2 inches larger than the one on the 2023 CX-9. It also shares a feature we first saw on the CX-50. The display converts to a touchscreen for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but not for the car's native Mazda Connect, which requires the use of a commander button and buttons. Third-row passengers also get available USB-C charging ports, air conditioning fans, and improved interior lighting. When does the 2024 CX-90 go on sale? And how much will it cost? Expect 2024 CX-90 deliveries to commence later this year, likely in late fall or winter. As for sticker price, given the new platform and potent powertrains, the increase over Mazda's last 3-row could be sizable. Look for a premium of at least a couple $1,000s over the MSRP range for the 2023 CX-9, which was $40,025 to $49,735. As you cross-shop the 2024 CX-90 against other 3-row SUVs, keep in mind that the Mazda and Subaru Ascent come with standard